This is a Sage Instruments syringe pump model 341B. But this is some type of an assembly because this is a Dayton SCFM air gauge. And this is a Fuji, oh, if I could only read that. I think that's a temperature gauge. This is a, what does that say? Hoke? Looks like a Hoke regulator with a gauge. Anyways, let me flip this thing on. So it's plugged into 110 right now. You turn this thing on. And that gauge comes on and it's going to start counting up. It's a temperature gauge. Obviously I don't have air hooked up, but this looks to be like an air tank. So maybe it's a constant air. This could be a temperature output sensor. Then this is a syringe pump, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to, you can see that, but it's moving ever so slowly. And then the syringe pump is held here. It looks like whatever they're clamping goes through there. Maybe they were running something into it. And then, oh, actually, is this thing heating up? I don't know. But can't really see through there. But that's the company. Unique Products has made this thing. I don't know the exact use on it here. But you can see there's the tank. There is the reset switch for everything. And then there's that back of that Sage pump. So if I had to guess, this is feeding something through here that's going into this piece that's outputting to here, or the other way around. And then this is air regulating it. I am not exactly sure. Maybe you can figure that out before I can. But I'm going to call it a Sage Instruments syringe pump assembly. Let me know if you got questions. Thank you.